Hello guys, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we're learning how to show hidden files from your Windows PC. Just open your My Computer or this PC and select which folder or drive. In this case, I'm selecting this YouTube drive, and you can see there is a lot of folders, background, contact, something. You can easily find there is any hidden files is there. Just see those hidden files. You can see there is tabs for home, share and view. Just click on view table and select hidden items. After selecting these hidden items, you can see there is a new folder is come with ms download temp. This temporary folder is using for Windows downloading Windows updates. You can easily show and hide files from clicking this radio button from this view tab. Okay, this is the easy method for finding hidden files from your folder. If you like this video, please like and comment and share with your friends. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.